Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove a reaction from a message on Messenger on PC. Let's go through the simple steps to unreact to a message. To get started, navigate to messenger.com using your preferred web browser. Once you've accessed messenger.com, proceed to the conversation where you've previously reacted to a message. Next, hover your mouse over the message from which you wish to remove the reaction. You will notice the reaction you've added displayed on the message. Now click on the reaction icon that you want to remove. By clicking on the reaction, it will be deselected, and the reaction will be successfully removed from the message. Congratulations! You have now learned how to remove a reaction from a message on Messenger. This feature allows you to adjust your responses and interactions as needed, providing you with more control over your conversations. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and modify your reactions on Messenger messages. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful in guiding you on how to remove reactions from messages on Messenger on PC.